Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you my final project, which is a site suitability analysis for Syrian refugees hoping to relocate to the United States. And the data for this project I downloaded from GeoFabric, and this is OpenStreetMap data. And so I downloaded data for North America and the states of Michigan and Maryland. And so these are shapefiles that I downloaded. I then used FME to extract, transform, and load this data. And so I did it for both Michigan and Maryland. And so in the first step, I converted the shapefiles consisting of tourist areas, mosques that they would go to worship at, public buildings where they could go to adjust their immigration status, and also land use. And so the first thing I did was convert these shapefiles into PostGIS files, and I did that for both Michigan and Maryland. And after I did that, and of course I had to reproject the coordinate systems of these shapefiles. So then I used OpenJump to run queries on this data. So this is for the state of Maryland. And so these are the different queries that I ran. And so all the green consists of all the land use polygons that I had downloaded. And so I ran consecutive queries to narrow down the sites where the Syrian refugees would like to live. And so if we uncheck the different layers, you'll see how the sites were narrowed down. So let's uncheck the main polygons. So this is now land use residential polygons in Maryland. I then selected those polygons that were within 5 miles of a tourist center. Then I selected those polygons 5 miles from railway stations. And then I selected those polygons 5 miles away from public buildings. And okay. So then I took that data and I ran another extract, transform, load process to convert that data, the PostGIS files, into American ArcGIS Online files. And so I did that and I published it, and what I found was that the data was still so large it wouldn't draw completely in ArcGIS Online. And so what I then did was I converted the final output selection files into file geodatabase files, and in ArcMap I then converted those files during publishing into tiles so that they could render in ArcGIS Online. Okay, and so then I also just wanted to show you the, so these are the different queries that I ran. And so then I published it to ArcGIS Online, and I created an operations dashboard with the final selection for both Michigan and Maryland. And I zoomed into, for Maryland, I zoomed into a specific spot. There's actually or two general areas where the Syrian refugees would like to live. And so that's about it. Thanks. Bye.